Welcome to my home. So, meron akong sofa dito. Tapos, andun yung aking fridge at saka yung speaker. Tapos, meron akong dalawang room. One here. And, meron kaming mirror and one room here. Dito yung aking kitchen. Meron ako dito ng CR. At saka may tiles pa ako dyan for the banyo. Ito yung aking kitchen. Yung aking sink. Ayan siya. Ayan yung. Tapos, ito yung aking table. A bit messy pa guys kasi ongoing pa yung aking dirty kitchen. So, ayan siya. Thank you, Lord.